Hello, Lonnie Gonzalez of MOR Consulting Services. I want to ask you a question. Is your company making money? I'm not talking about millions and millions and millions, which we all want. I'm talking about right now. Do you know if your company is profitable? Are you just paying the bills and being able to pay yourself or pay your employees and have some left over? Is your company making money? Are you priced at the right level for your services? Or are you just giving it away? Do you understand how best to make money within your realm of business? These are questions that you have to ask yourself. These are questions that if you have a consultant, they should be asking you to help you figure it out. Part of the reason why I ask is because if you're using some type of accounting software, be that of QuickBooks or an Excel sheet well developed, or 17 Hats, or some other FreshBooks, Wave Accounting, there are just numerous ways in order to keep track of your sales, cost of goods, or overhead costs, or whatever expenses need to be paid in order to run your business, to figure out whether or not you're making money when it comes to that bottom line. If you're billing and you're collecting and you're paying, do you know if you're really making money? That's what a profit and loss statement tells you here in the now, based on this picture that I see. Am I making money? But if you're not tracking it in some form or fashion, then you're always going to be behind the 8 ball. You're always going to be concerned about the next dollar that you're trying to earn come around the corner. And what happens when you put yourself in that situation, you will either end up lowering the price, underestimating, or you end up missing out on other opportunities because you're stressing about that one. Part of the reason why we have to put things into a plan, into a perspective, into some form of management or benchmark is so that we can make sure that we are reaching the goals that we set or the objectives that we should have to reach that ultimate happiness as to why we became entrepreneurs in the first place. Because if we feel like we work and work and work and work and never see a bottom line, then what ends up happening is we get frustrated and we want to throw in the towel. So if you don't have a business consultant, I suggest you get one. It doesn't have to be on a permanent basis. It could be for a little while to help you get things straightened out, to have an understanding. I suggest having one. But if you don't, or you're not comfortable with that, at least seek some advice, some help, so that you can find out how your business is doing. If you want to give us a call here at MOR Consulting Services, by all means, please do so. We are here to help and to make sure that you are on the path as to the reason why you even got into business to begin with. Lonnie Gonzalez, MOR Consulting Services.